Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be recreating this look that Kylie Jenner did. I thought it was super pretty and I never did it before, so I really wanted to try it. So if you want to see how I recreated it, please keep watching. Camera, and I'll put the primers that I used in the description box, and all products that I use that I don't use in the video I'll also put in the description box. But I used two primers and honestly the combination of them both is so pretty. I feel like it makes my skin look so like just flawless. So for foundation I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty sponge, and the foundation is in the shade 120. And I'm just gonna blend onto my neck and all of that off camera like always. I honestly think I'm gonna start using this combination of primer all the time because it's so pretty. Like I feel like I look so, I don't even know the word, like just like flat. Like I don't know, I like it. It looks so pretty. So for concealer I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I'm just gonna set under my eyes and my smile lines. I'm waiting for a package. I ordered a package. It's supposed to arrive today. It's from Sephora. I ordered some Too Faced products to do a video with. I'm hoping it comes today. I'm gonna set the rest of my face now with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm also gonna wipe away all that Mercier powder that I put on my face. Now I'm just gonna bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna take a bit of my bronzer and put it in the crease. I'm just gonna deepen that up a little bit with this shade in the Quo palette that I used in my full face of drugstore makeup video. Okay, so I already have a little bit of pink in the inner corner because I had done it already, but I didn't like how it turned out. So I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go and retry it. So I like how it turned out on this side, but on this side I put it a little bit too much in the inner corner. But I really don't want to fix it again because I already fixed it. So I'm just gonna go off camera and try to fix it up a little. So I cleaned it up a little bit, and how I did that is I just took a small little brush like this, put some powder on it, and I just went over the edges like that. Now I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that I used. I gotta hurry because I got a party to get to, but I'm gonna go under the lash line like that. I'm just gonna go in with some highlighter, and I know I still look so crazy right now, but I'm gonna look crazy until I put my eyelashes on. And now my fan brush is a little bit crooked right now. Are you kidding me that there was really mascara on my eyelash curler? So I applied my lashes off camera. I just have to do my bottom mascara, and I had to rush them so they look a little crazy, but there's like a party going on downstairs right now. So for lips, I'm gonna do the Commando Lip by Kylie, this Hard Candy Plumping Serum Gloss on top of it, but I'm gonna go off camera to do that. So I finished my mascara and I did my lips, and I'm gonna set with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Wow, this is the finished look, and I'm so happy with it. I think it's so pretty. It's so easy to accomplish, honestly. Just make sure you don't get the pink right in there, because then it looks a little crazy, but I'm so happy with it. I would definitely wear it out. Yeah. I've never done something like this before, but it's really pretty. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Ooh! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be doing this super easy look that I got from this inspiration.